You got to call the Green Bay, so I can't get mine. You get yours.
Alright, let's get straight to it. We're in standard tuning 4/4 time. The key is E flat major. We're going to start by looking at the chords in the order that they feature. Then we'll look at the timing and then the rhythm. Okay, so we're starting here on the 6th fret with an E flat major 7. That's the 1 chord. Going to move up 2 frets for an F minor 7. Take that shape up 2 more frets to get a G minor 7. It's the 3 chord. And then the 4 chord will be an A flat major 7 on the 11th fret. Okay, then we're going to move down to the 4th fret. So all on the A string so far. 4th fret to play the D flat 9. Okay, then we're going to move to the low E string on the 3rd fret to play a G minor 7 star. Okay, so star because it's a variation of the G minor 7 we played earlier. C9, 3rd fret A string, 8th fret. Okay, so it's the same shape, but then we flatten the 3rd to play the F minor 9, and then back to the low E string, 6th fret for the 5 chord, which will be the B flat 7 add 13. Okay, and then back to the 1 chord. To finish it all off with, we'll play a E flat major 9. Okay, that comes right at the end of the song. Okay, so we're starting here on the 6th fret with the E flat major 7, the 1 chord. Okay, for the intro, there's 4 bars of that, and then for the verse, we're going to take it line by line. So the first 4 chords will be E flat major 7 for a bar, followed by F minor 7 for a bar, then G minor 7 for a bar. So these are 4 beats, and then back to F minor 7. Okay, so a bar per chord here, yeah? Let's play through with a count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's your first line. We're going to move up for the next line to the A flat major 7 for 2 bars. And then it's going to be G minor 7 for 2 bars. Yeah, so that's the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for the 3rd line, we're going to slide down to the D flat 9. Okay, so that's going to be 2 bars of D flat 9. Then G minor 7 and C9. Okay, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and for your last line, we're going to take that shape up. 8th fret, that's F, flatten the 3rd. There's your F minor 9, so we're going to play that for a bar, followed by B flat 7 add 13, so that's the 5 chord. Okay, so 2, 5, and then it goes back around to the 1, yeah, and then it hits the 5 to start all over again. Okay, so to recap that, F minor 9 for a bar. I'll count it through, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it repeats. Okay, so as you can see, there's quite a lot of chords there, and having the chord chart is definitely going to be helpful. So if you want to grab that, just hit the link in the description. That will take you to my Patreon page. You can grab the chord chart, as well as over 100 others. You'll get the chord diagrams with the fingering, you'll get the time signature, key signature, note values, the arrangement, all that good stuff. Basically, that's going to help you navigate your way through the song. Okay, so let's now look at the rhythm. So for the intro, just go with strums if you want. Remember, there's four bars there of E flat major 7. So simple rhythm. Just go with whatever you like the sound of, whatever you feel comfortable with. So 4 bars of that, and then we go into the verse, and we're gonna go with, that's the rhythm, yeah. So it's gonna be bass, treble, mute, then chord, bass, treble, mute, then pluck the chord, and then there's gonna be a treble and a mute afterwards, yeah. So Okay, and that's the rhythm that's gonna, feature throughout. Okay, let's wrap it up. That's everything you need. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. You can get in touch via Instagram. I'm pretty active over there. Remember, if you want to get the chord chart, hit the link in the description. You can sign up to the Patreon for just $1 a month, and that'll give you access to over 100 chord charts as well as other exclusive content. And it will also be a great way for you to support my work. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully I shall see you again soon. Take care.